Alright, man, I'm getting there. I got the trunk all wire wheel down. Any rust I, derusted, and so I'll spray some, like, they got this trunk spray you could spray, or some kind of undercoating. I took the, all the plugs out back here too, so I bought a plug kit. So here we're going to be replacing that. It's not really that bad. And we got to do some in here a little bit. And very little on that side. It seemed like most of the rust was on this side. And I'm all done in here. I took all the plugs out. I ordered new ones. They looked like they were good, but they were really, really brittle. They just, I touched them and they just like disintegrated almost. So, but it's looking good, man. It's getting there. I ain't freaking touching that. What a bitch that is to put in. Headliner. The guys that did it didn't even want to do it. And I'm going to be pulling that instrument cluster out. I don't know when. Sometime over the next year, I'm going to put a digital one in. Get rid of all the old shit. It's not like it's a matching number car, so it doesn't really matter. That's it, man. The floor's in pretty good shape. A couple little holes here and there. We just vet bonded in. We got some strong shit, so. And that's it, man. We're done. Well, not done. I mean, I'm done with the wire wheeling the floor. That's all I'm done with. So, all right, guys. You have a good day. Bye.